today I'm going to do an unboxing, and this is a massive £138 felt flower order from the Pretty Petal Shop. And I used to buy from them back in the day, like when I first started with bow making. But you know what it's like when you don't order something very often, because I don't order felt flowers very often unless I'm using them for a specific product. I completely lost track of them, which is really disappointing because I do some amazing ranges and do some really, really pretty designs. So I thought I'd show you everything that I got. And secondly, considering the postal at the moment with the UK, they sent it to me special delivery, and it literally arrived the day after they posted it. So they posted it on the 7th, arrived to me on the 8th. And it's got this lovely pink paper. And then, look at this. Trying to make sure you can see everything. But I got multiple different sets. So I got spring daisies, which I believe got 2 different types of daisies, and I'll go through them. So I got these spring daisies, which was a set, and I got the 5 colours for £4.50. And then in here I got these balloons, and these were £1.50 each, and you can see that they come together here. And then the holly leaves, they came separately, and the bigger ones were 85p, so the bigger ones were 85p a set. Then it was 60p for the medium size, and then I can't remember the smaller, I'll tell you. And then a pack of 6 was like £1.20, so it was £1.20 for the large pack of 6. And then a pack of 6 of the medium was 85p, and then a pack of 6 of the small was 60p. So that was actually quite good value. And then, like I said, these are all £1.50 each. And like I said, this Merlot, I believe. Don't quote me on the colours, I'm terrible. Have to double check myself, because otherwise I completely forget. So on the spring. Always a lazy daisy chains. And there was a set of 5 for the £4.50 again. But look how beautiful those colours are. And then I got these ones, and these are called Popsicle Peach Trios. That was what, peach trios and different colour trios. But again, any of these trios were like £1.50 each, and they're so cute. I got quite a few different little sets, because like I said, I've got some plans to do some more with certain ones of these in the new year. And then I got a couple of different little sets. So this is the, don't quote me, I'll put them up because like there's different pricings on all of them. But like this one was vintage Christmas, and then there's like different ones, some are handmade, specific types, but you can see all the different styles. There's so many different styles here, and they're all amazing values. Each pack is like really, really good value for what you get. And there was so many more colours. I could have literally spent like hundreds, but with my impulse control I had to sort of stop myself and limit myself for what I was buying. And also the sizings, amazing, like the different sizing. Like you can see from the smallest ones right through to the big designs. Succulents, leaf designs, so many different leaf designs, so many different flower designs. They're just all so pretty. So that is what £138, including postage, looks like of felt flowers. So you'll be seeing some of these in my future videos shortly. And thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!